forecast with meteorologist Chad Evans. Weather from where you live.
Well, we've got a little warm front coming through right now. That's what's producing some of this mid-level cloudiness, and it's that warm front that will get the temperature closer to normal tomorrow, which is actually above freezing. But if we go to precision, you can see that it's not producing any rainfall. We are totally clear right now, but the next weather system that will produce precipitation here is diving out of Alberta and moving into Montana, and this will bring some light snow by Saturday. And then there'll be another Alberta clipper that will bring some snow by Sunday. But the good news is, of course, the deep moisture is staying in the Gulf. It won't have a lot of moisture to work with, but eventually as these two clippers move through our area, it will pick up all this moisture and it will merge right here along the Atlantic seaboard, and we may actually see a pretty significant snow event unfold along the East Coast early next week. So if you're headed to the East Coast or have airplanes, if you're headed on an airplane to go to a vacation spot, there may be a lot of delays if this does transpire early next week. Now let's go back to 3D, and you can see that over the next few days it's going to be pretty dry and uneventful, turning warmer, but those two Alberta clippers will arrive by the weekend with a half-inch or less snowfall with both systems, and then a more vigorous system towards Christmas, believe it or not. Now, lows tonight won't be as cold as last night, about 13 Rochester to about 17 or 18 in our southern counties, with highs tomorrow about mid to upper 30s, even near 40 at Perrysville, 35 Lafayette, 34 at Rochester. So here's the dry weather pattern with the cold in place after the 29 today. There goes the warm front, warmer tomorrow into the 30s. 36 on Friday. More clouds arriving as our little clipper with a good amount of wind moves through on Saturday. Half-inch or less of accumulation. Another half-inch or less on Sunday with cold temps. Arctic cold, though, by Monday. And by Christmas, this is the system to watch. It's just a question of how it's going to track and just what it's going to bring us. But there is something brewing towards Christmas. More on that tonight. Partly cloudy, cold, down to 15 tonight. Not much wind tomorrow and warmer as well, so it'll feel better. 35 for the high temperature, 36 on Friday, light snow over the weekend with some minor accumulation, and then brutally cold on Monday. Wednesday 26, but by Thursday, Christmas Eve, potential exists for either some snow or a mix, something like that to arrive in our area, and we'll have much more over the next few days.